Hi, this is Michelle from On-Demandly, and today we're taking a look at things you need to know about Cash App before you sign up. Cash App has become a popular alternative to similar services such as PayPal and Venmo. One thing I love about Cash App is the boosted offers that give you discounts on various services such as DoorDash, Lyft, Chick-fil-A, and many more. In order to use boosted offers, you must first order the free Cash App card and activate it. Cash App has an awesome referral program for new users. Cash App gives you $5 when you sign up with a referral code and send $5 to a friend. You can use our referral link in the video description below to get started. If you want to take it a step further, you can check out our Cash App method video, which will give you step-by-step instructions on how to instantly get $10 from Cash App. If you're enjoying this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Another feature that stands out with Cash App is the ability to receive your paychecks, tax returns, and other direct deposits up to 2 days early using your Cash App routing and account number. And finally, with the surge in popularity of cryptocurrency, many people are looking into how to get started with Bitcoin. Cash App removes the complex barrier to entry with their simple 6-tap process to purchasing Bitcoin. Whether you're a newbie or a savvy veteran, Cash App offers one of the easiest ways to get started with purchasing Bitcoin. Overall, Cash App is a great option for someone looking for a simple yet feature-rich way to send and receive money. If you're ready to try Cash App, you can use our link in the video description below to get started. Okay, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.